In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the intermediate parking brake cable on this Chevy Silverado. Let's get into it. You can see on our vehicle this piece is missing and the cable has been cut. This is what it should have, a bracket that goes over these cables. And at this point, you're going to want to take this nut off so that you can separate this cable so there's no tension on it. Use a 13mm socket, take that off. And then you can slide that bracket off. And further up, closer to the cab, the front of the vehicle, you're going to see where there's a junction right here. There is special tools, like special pliers, that you can go in here, separate this right here. Sometimes they work pretty good. And just squeeze this, and that should separate that right there. But this one's pretty rusty, so we're going to have to hammer this out. Just going to take some locking pliers. Hold it like this. And with an air chisel or an air hammer, just give it a tap. Sometimes you can loosen it up. There we go. And slide the cable right off. If you still had the bracket on, you would have pulled the cable through this part of the frame right here. So we're going to take the new cable, slide this end in. You can see where this is going to attach right here. And you're probably going to have to loosen this up. Loosen that up. You might even have to take that off temporarily. Now with the locking pliers, I'm just going to grab the old cable right here. Just pull this. Get this to line up. Latch that together. It should slide in place. Just spread the bracket apart a little bit just so that fits in. Just going to use a punch. Just tap this in. Punch and a hammer. There we go. That's punched in. Make sure that goes all the way down. That's good. That's all the way in. Now you can see the cable's loose. Now you want to tighten it up. Using a 13mm socket, we'll tighten this up. Don't want it too tight, just snug. And then you're going to have to check the cable, push on the parking brake, make sure it engages and disengages, and then you want to make sure it's not dragging while you're going down the road, so make sure the wheels can spin freely and adjust accordingly.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ, the only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.